Meanwhile, the Congress and the BJP have been involved in a Twitter spat. The BJP tweeted a chart claiming the rise in fuel prices has been only 13% under the Modi government. The Congress party responded to that tweet by adding that the price of crude under previous governments showed that prices have actually dropped. That's global crude prices have dropped in the last 4 years by almost 30%. Let's go across to Prashant Nair for a quick fact check on the crude reality and the fuel math. Prashant.
So let's do a fact check, right? I mean, the BJP put out tweets essentially looking at the rate of increase in petrol prices and diesel prices in Delhi at the pump. But, you know, you got to compare it and put it in context with what happened to global crude oil prices, and that is exactly what we've done here. So, and this is May 2004 to May 2009 to May 2014, essentially, you know, the points which the BJP put out essentially is when the government's changed. So, in 2004, May 2004, global oil prices were $38. In May of 2009, global price of oil was $58. That is an increase of 54%. In that same period, as those tweets pointed out, the price of petrol at the pump increased by only 21%. So 54% increase in global crude oil prices, 21% increase in the price of petrol at the pump. You know, you come to May 2014, I mean, when this government took over, from 2009 to 2014, May to May, those years, the global crude oil price increased 88%. What was the increase in price of petrol at the pump? 76% or so. So again, slower than the increase in global crude oil prices. Of course, I mean, from May 2014 till date, while global crude oil prices are down 30%, what you pay for petrol at the pump has gone up about 13% or so. So I think that is a necessary comparison to make. Of course, we know the reason why, because global crude oil, the price of diesel was deregulated in October of 2014. And that was a much needed reform. But I don't think anybody is taking an issue with that. I think people are pointing to the fact that what the centre is collecting via excise, which has been raised successively, and what states are collecting in terms of sales tax. And this is what the next two graphics really do. So look at petrol prices in Delhi and how it breaks up. So petrol prices are up 13%. Global crude oil prices are down 30% in that same period, which is May 2014 till date. Excise duty on petrol is up 2 times. VAT, which the state of Delhi collects, is up almost 14% or so. Come to diesel, similar kind of figures in Delhi. 28% increase in the price of petrol from May 2014 till date. Oil prices down 30%. Well, this is where the difference comes in. Excise, which is up 4.3 times, and VAT, which is up almost about 10% or so. So I don't think it's anybody's case to say that go back to the regulated era. Somebody's got to pay the cost. I mean, the government pays the cost, oil marketing companies, I mean, you know, you got to pay the cost what it is. But I think the issue which people are raising is, while global oil prices were falling, you raised excise and VAT. Now that global oil prices are rising, why not pass on some of that benefit by cutting excise, cutting VAT? Some states are doing it, maybe more will, to the Aam Aadmi. Back to you.